inline and block elements. Most elements in HTML are block level elements. These elements have their contents begin on a new line. Inline elements do not come with a line break. Right now, form elements are inserted in a web page using the form tag. Now the form need to be filled, and the form also need to be sent for processing. That happens with giving some attribute or using some attribute of the HTML that actually work with the form element. Inside your form opening tag, the action element, the action attribute will tells you or asks for which site or which page should open immediately the user submits the form. The method attribute will have actually two options. Where should the information the user has filled in the form go? If you say get, the user input or data will be displayed on the tab on the same browser. If you say post, it will be posted to the server for processing. It's advisable you use post for server-side processing authentication of your sensitive information like password or email for your website. We are going to also learn about input, the type attribute, telling you what type of information you want to collect. Is it a text like username? If it is email, the type is going to be email. If it is password, the type is going to be password. Without wasting time, this other type can also be radio, like a box that you can click on, click to accept or reject an offer, or select a multiple choice, one out of multiple choices. Then the checkbox for normally used when the user's consent for privacy is needed. Let's run this let's collect this code inside the editor, and you can see this other attribute placeholder is a kind of what displays inside each of the box, telling the user what kind of information is needed in the box. Let's run this code and see. This is the output, the in placeholder. You can actually shorten it to be like in name. Some people, we don't want to refresh this and say name, email, password. Say to lesson 19.